friends, welcome back to my channel. And today it's kind of sharing only the backgrounds which I created from the lots of time and I didn't share it, and maybe I'll share it one day. Maybe I have a process video like how I did it and I'll show that. So but these backgrounds you can use it for the, like, you can use it for the mixed media, you can use for the card background or any kind of art project you do. So I use some of the papers, like here I have this Canson watercolor paper, and this one is like 140 lb, that is 300 gsm, and one I use with the rough texture mixed media, and it is like 185 grams. So this paper is 300 gram, the watercolor, and mixed media is 185 gram. But I want to try both of them and see how it works. And whenever I'm creating background, I at one time I like create many of them, so I'm doing couple of works together like the washes and all. So I will show you and go through all the backgrounds I created here. Some of them, like this one, this is a kind of, so this for this background I just go ahead and put it with a very neutral color, like blues and whites, and I just put the color and do some kind of doodling on them with the Posca pens. This I started but I didn't finish yet, so maybe soon you will see that how I color these and created these backgrounds, as well as how I decorate them. So when you have these backgrounds created, you can doodle on them. So what I did basically, when I go back for a longer trip, I travel a lot, so I just take one of these copies with me and then I doodle if I get a time anywhere. Now this is like a kind of drip method where I put the color and then I just drip it like this. But I didn't put anything yet on it. Then I just spread some of the distress sprays and hero sprays, and then I'm just kind of doodling on it. Here I just tried the circles, maybe I'll try more after some time on this. But now I have a background ready, so I can grab my book anywhere and I can just do doodling anywhere with few pens with me. Then this one is, I tried here the Paul Rubens crayon, so it kind of, I'm creating here emboss resist kind of design here, and then you can see that, and then it is kind of your paper will kind of resist to get the watercolor on where the effect that we used to do in the when we are kid. Now these are my kind of favorite kind of stuff. If you know me, I like the bright colors, the rainbow colors. So here I use the warm color palette. I put little bit of this masking tapes. So basic idea is here that I have lots of different widths of masking tape, and I created, this is from Blink, this is for, so I created this different kind of look every time. You can see the width are changing here, here the width are same. So then we will peel off and reveal the design, and we can add more before that. So this is also not completed. This is I tried in the aircraft and it turned out really nice. I kind of created the mountain and colored it, but if you can see the details here, look out the details, how these details are created with the fun thing going on here. The sun is created with all that texture and the sprays and white, and maybe I'll add more on this. And another one is kind of I spritz a little bit of spray here, little bit shiny one, and I didn't remove yet those tapes that gonna reveal white underneath it. Again I put lots of colors. I just want to see the combination work for me or not, and then I just drip it down and then I put it for drying. So if you have your backgrounds ready, you can use them for anything. Now for this one, I use both side of the paper because I want them with me. I don't want to create anything else with me. I just want to doodle on them or do something on them, something like that. These are another thing that you can put a gouache and then you can, you know, drip it down the things, though it will give a balloon or tree kind of effect. Then this one I tried, I put all the watercolors with the white gouache, and then I sprinkled the white gouache on it. All these are masking tapes. I will reveal them when my drawing is ready. I feel that way. Then this I colored it everywhere, and then I just move it around, to get. I will soon process the process video. Now these backgrounds I created, and I did some of these when I go back to my mama's house and I have some time to create this, and this turned out really nice. Look at this, all the beautiful things like these flowers and this rainbow kind of thing. This is imitating the sky, and this one is also I created some kind of flowers here, and then follow the lines which is created with the watercolor. But I'm not saying that it's complete or not, but yeah, I have this, and this is the very fun technique. So I bought some inks in India. It is like latex or something like that, but I just put those inks there, and I don't have much thing with me. I'm just carrying my pens. So what I do, I just take a comb and just do swapping, and that gives me such a beautiful texture on it. So you can see that. So I did that, and there is some I can do kind of doodling kind of here, golden paper. Then I again put some inks here, the blobs and globs. So yeah, this is the one book. Now let's jump into the another book.